Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video we have the Mpow A6 headphones. These headphones are meant to be used when you're working out or exercising, and that means they're going to be a little bit more durable and they're also waterproof. In addition to that, they feature 11 hours of playtime. All that for $24 on Amazon, so check the link in the description to find that price. Let's go ahead and open them up and check them out. They come in a nice cardboard box. I like that because you can recycle it. On top we have a warning not to charge these with any quick charging devices. This is pretty standard for headphones like this. We have an owner's manual. Looks like some fittings for the ear tips, a standard USB to micro USB charging cable, and then we have the headphones right here. I'll go ahead and take them out. So as you can see, these are pretty unique design. They're similar to the Mpow Cheetahs, which is a very popular pair of headphones, but unlike most earbuds, they don't have a wire that's loose and they don't go over your ears. So these are going to be pretty unique. They'll be very stable on your head when working out or running. And then they're also not going to have any drag on the back of your neck with that wire. That's one of the biggest things I hate when I have earbuds in, is that wire on the back of my neck kind of gets stuck when I turn my head because I'll be sweaty, but this hopefully will avoid that. So I'm really excited to use these. So as you can see, the whole thing is really kind of bendable and it moves with your body. It also can adjust to your head shape. So that's going to be very comfortable. So checking out the earbuds right here, the left side, we have a very nice cool Mpow logo. This all is a very rubber material. So none of this feels like plastic. It all feels like it has rubber on the outside, which is a great feeling. I feel like it's going to be very durable. And then we have the earpiece right here. As you can see, the earpiece can be removed if you needed to change the size of it. But I have to say, these are pretty sturdy on there. They're not going to come off in your ear. No worries about that. Moving over to the right side, we have the same logo. But we have some buttons and a charging port. So we have the micro USB charging port right here. And then you have a nice little gasket that you can put in it to keep it waterproof. And then on the bottom, we have 3 buttons. So we have a power button. This also starts and ends calls as well. And then you have the plus and minus button, which can be used for volume control as well as track control. So the headphones are actually pretty simple. My first impressions are that they are very light and they seem well built. So I'm excited to try them out. Go ahead and get them connected to my phone. So the first thing we need to do is put the headphones in pairing mode. We do that by holding on the power button. One of the first drawbacks I see with these headphones, there's no indicator light that I can see. I don't see any light blinking that shows me it's in pairing mode or even that it's on. So I just held down the power button for 3 seconds and now it's on. Comes up on my phone as Mpow A6. We'll just select that and we're connected. Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick example of what these look like on my head. I'm wearing my hat because my hair can get in the way of them, but as you can see right here, they don't sit on your earlobe, so there's no pressure on the earlobe. They have a good springiness to them that kind of locks them to your head. And the earpiece going in your ear does isolate the sound around you. So you do have noise canceling from that perspective. Overall, they feel very comfortable. They don't feel loose at all. Like I can move my head, I can run, I can work out. They're not going to fall off. And they're actually very light, so no issues there. Alright, so after having a chance to use the Mpow A6 headphones, I have to say overall these are awesome, especially for a price of $24. They were very comfortable when wearing them. There was no pain in my earlobe because, as you saw in the video, there's no pressure applied to your ear at all. The only pressure that's applied is the headphones are kind of pushing into your ear canals a little bit, but that just secures them and makes sure that they don't move around. This piece right here caused no issue when running. There was no friction on the back of my head or my neck at all. I really didn't even feel the headphones at all, other than them just sticking in my ear. The controls on the bottom of the right earbud were very easy to use and they were also very easy to find. I found that the plus and minus worked great because it's a short press for it to change the volume and then a long press for it to change the track. So that's the way it should be. I hate it when it's the other way around and you kind of have to guess what the volume strength is that you're changing. It's much easier when you can just press it once and then it will change the volume. The sound quality of these was actually very good for the price. I found that the highs were not tinny at all, and the bass, while you could tell it was there, it was not overpowering at all, and it came through very clearly. So a good listening experience on these, both with podcast and music. Placing calls with these is also pretty clear. The microphone's located right here, next to the little flap. So I didn't expect a lot out of it, but they do have CVC technology, which actually isolates your voice and cuts down on any background noise. So it makes your voice a little clearer when placing calls. So I did like that. These are designed for exercising. So while they're usable for placing calls and things like that, I think you can get a better pair of headphones if that's going to be your primary use for these. I don't recommend them for making a lot of calls, but it's great to have that option when you're working out if you needed to place a call. So those were the Mpow A6 headphones. If you have any questions about these, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an affiliate link to the description below so you can find these exact headphones on Amazon. If this video helped you and you'd like to support me, please give this video a thumbs up. Use the affiliate link when buying this product because it helps me purchase more products like this. And also subscribe to my channel for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.